God bless you all, my dear children. I think you would have watched my question number 2 video exercise 2.2. What we have done from that video? We are able to find out the remainder for the value of x they have given you. Whether it is x or whether it is y or whether it is t, whatever it is, if they have given you the value, we are able to find out the value of that polynomial. That is only your question number 2. Then what is question number 3? I told you even in the question number 2 video, only one sum I noted down for you. What it is that? So if you get the remainder as 0, then it will become a 0 of a polynomial I told you. Yes or no? That only we are going to do in question number 3. Whether the given thing, it is given there, whether it makes the polynomial 0 or not. You are supposed to find out. These are the things you are able to do it. They are going to check that. Only that. What? Whether you substitute and find out, verify, and whether this is a 0 of this polynomial. That only. You know how to substitute because already we have done so many problems. Anyway, so suppose x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. It is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Okay. Even here also x equal to 4 by 5 they have given it to you. Both are in, see, as I told you earlier in polynomial video, there are two terms. Okay, this is only binomial, two terms. So in the two terms, if you are substituting for x, this will become a multiplication. So 5 by 5 gets cancelled. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Again, this is also 0. So x equal to 4 by 5 is a 0. The same way here also we have substituted 1 square minus 1. So even though if it is plus 1, then also it is 0. Even though if it is minus 1, then also 0. Why? Because minus 1 with the even power. So minus 1 into minus 1, same sign. When you multiply the same sign, plus I told you. In integer video, I told you very clearly, when you multiply the same sign numbers, you will be getting plus only. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus. So my 1 minus 1 0. Again, here also see, the same method only I have done in question number 2. See, when you substitute for x equal to minus 1, then is 0. For x equal to 2 also you are getting 0. What did you understand? This is a special problem in this question number 3. For that only I have chosen all the sums for you. What is special? Either if x is equal to minus 1 also, the whole polynomial is getting 0, or if x is equal to 2 also, the whole polynomial is getting 0. These are the things you must keep it in your mind for your exercise 2.5 everything when you go for factorization. So if one of the polynomial one of the factor is 0, then the whole polynomial will become 0. Either this is x equal to minus 1, then also 0. Either this x equal to 2, then also the polynomial is getting 0. This is very, very important tips and techniques they were introduced you in the question number 3 itself. This will be useful for you in exercise 2.5. So that only I have chosen these sums and also you know how to do it. Okay. Now for in this place x equal to minus m by n, same way division. So minus m plus m is 0. So again this is also, see root 3 when I make a square, the root 3 will become plus 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So this also will become 0. But for 2 by 3 it is not a 0 because we are getting as a remainder. Okay. Here also see for p of x equal to 2x plus 1, for x equal to half, 2 into 1 by half plus 1. So again we are getting a remainder. So this is also not a 0 of a polynomial. One thing here in your book, they have given you as a pi, it is a printing mistake. It has to be a 4 only. They have given you 5x minus pi, but it is not pi, it is only 4. So only we are getting a 0. Okay, then see this is not a 0, no. So if we wanted to make it as a x value, if x equal to minus half, this will become 0. How did I know this? You also can know this. How? Without doing anything, definitely you will be able to find out these sums at the end of question number 4. So don't miss question number 4 video. In the question number 4 video, what we are going to do, here they have given the value to you and ask you verify whether it is a 0 or not. In question number 4, they ask you to find out this value only. By giving this polynomial, they ask you to find out the 0 of the polynomial. What it is? What value if you substitute in the place of the polynomial of x, then how will you get 0? That value you are supposed to find out. See, when you do that finding out the value of 0, so many things you have to understand in this. So question number video is very useful for 3 items. One, you are going to find out the 0 of the polynomial. Second item, you are going to find out the actual concept, how they have done olden days, why we are getting it. That only you are going to do. And third one, I have given you my own examples. After making actual concept method, I am going to tell you the simple tricks and techniques without actually substituting all those things. From this equation directly we can find out that value. That trick I will definitely tell you now. So this tips and techniques will be very useful when you go for the exercise 2.5 or for any other problems, and also for all simplification. So that is very important important video. You don't skip it, watch fully. That will be a very good basic for you. So that only I am taking all these sums for you children. Okay, thank you children. Share with your friends and subscribe also. You will get a notification. Then I am going to do some factorization, everything, question number 2, exercise 2.5 also. Thank you so much children.